in my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is 9th session of Engineering Curves chapter. In this session, we are going to learn involute curves, which are involute of line, involute of polygon and involute of circle. First, let us understand what is involute. If a straight line is rolled round a circle without slipping or sliding, points on line will trace out involutes. Now, other definition is if a string is wound or unwound from a surface of circle, line or polygon by keeping it tight, then the curve traced out by a point on a string is an involute. You can see here, this is involute curve which is traced by end point of this string during wound around this circle. Next, let us understand involute of line. Example is given here. Draw involute of a line having length 10 mm for 3 convolutions. First, list out given data. Length of line AB is equal to 10 mm. Number of convolutions is equal to 3. First, draw horizontal reference line. Take AB line of 10 cm length on horizontal reference line. Now, for involute, first take center B, radius AB and draw one arc up to this horizontal reference and mark here B1 point. Next, take center A, radius AB1 and draw arc up to this horizontal reference and mark here A1 point. So, this is the involute for one convolution. Next, take center B, radius BA1 and draw arc up to this horizontal reference and mark here B2 point. Next, take center A, radius AB2 and draw arc up to this horizontal reference and mark here A2 point. Next, take center B, radius BA2 and draw arc up to this horizontal reference and mark here B3 point. Next, take center A, radius AB3 and draw arc up to this horizontal reference and mark here A3 point. So, this is the involute of line for 3 convolution. Next, let us understand involute of polygon. Example is given here. A string is wound around a pentagon of 25 mm side. Draw the locus of end P for winding the 1 ton of string. String is kept tight during the operation of winding. Give the name of curve. Draw the tangent and normal on the curve. First, list out given data. Number of side of pentagon is equal to 5. Side length of pentagon is equal to 25 mm. So, length of string is equal to 5 into 25 is equal to 125 mm. Because during winding operation, string is wound around the pentagon. Next, draw pentagon using angle method. Angle between two sides in pentagon is 108. That is, we already learned in introduction chapter. Next, mark points on pentagon as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, draw string from 0 position of pentagon. Take length of string is equal to 125 mm. Divide this string into equal 5 parts and mark here division points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here this string is wound around the pentagon. So first locate tangent string from each and every position of pentagon. Now here involute curve is traced out by the end point of string. So next locate end point of string. At 0 position of pentagon, end point of string is here. So locate P0 point. Now for P1 locus point, take center 0, radius 0 to 5 and draw arc up to one location of string and mark here locus point P1. The length of one P1 string is equal to 1 P0. Next for P2 locus point, take center 1 of pentagon, radius 1 P1 and draw arc up to this 2 number position of string and mark here P2 locus point. Here the length of 2P2 is equal to 2P0. Now for P3 locus point, take center 2 of pentagon, radius 2P2 and draw arc up to third position of string of pentagon and mark here P3 locus point. The length of string 3P3 is equal to 3P0 because at this position 3 sides wound by string. Now for P4 locus point, take center 3 on pentagon, radius 3P3 and draw arc up to fourth position of string. Mark here P4 locus point. The length of 4P4 is equal to 4P0. Next for P5 locus point, take center 4, radius 4P4 and draw arc up to fifth position of pentagon and mark here P5 locus point. Next for normal tangent, select one point S on the curve anywhere. Here I have taken S point in P0 to 1 quadrant. So S point connect with 0 point, which is indicate normal line. Next draw tangent line perpendicular to normal and passing through S point. So this is the involute of pentagon. Next let us understand involute of circle. Example given here, a string is wound around a circle of 30 mm radius. Draw the locus of the end of the string for winding the string completely. String is kept tight while being wound. Draw normal and tangent on the curve. First list out given data. Radius of circle is given 30 mm. So length of string is equal to 2 pi r because during winding or unwinding process, string is wound or unwound around the circle. So total length of string is equal to circumference area of circle, which is 2 pi r. Here put the value of pi and r. The value of pi is 3.14 and the value of r is 30 mm. So length of string is equal to 188.4 mm. Next draw 30 mm radius circle and 188.4 mm length string from the bottom point of circle. Next, divide this circle into equal 8 parts at 45-degree angle. Mark here division points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in anti-clockwise direction because winding process is given. Next, divide this string into equal 8 parts because the number of division of circle I have taken 8. And mark here division points of string as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, locate perpendicular string from O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6 and O7 radial line. Next, find out end point of string from 0 to 8 position. Now, at 0 position, locate here end point of string P0. Now, for P1 locus point on first location of string, take distance 1, 8 from original string and transfer this distance on first location of string and locate here P1 locus point. Next, for P2 locus point, take distance from original string to 8 and transfer to 8 distance on second position of string and mark here P2 locus point. For P3 locus point, take distance 3, 8 from original string position and transfer 3, 8 distance on third position of string and locate here P3 point. Similarly, locate P4 point, take distance of 4P4 is equal to 4, 8. Next, locate P5 point. The distance of 5P5 is equal to 5, 8. Next, locate P6 locus point on 6th position of string. The distance between 6P6 is equal to 6, 8. Next, locate P7 locus point on 7th location of string and take distance of 7P7 is equal to 7, 8. Next, mark P8 locus point at 8 position of circle. Next, connect this all locus point freehandly in form of curve. Next, draw normal tangent. For normal tangent, select one point S on the curve anywhere. Join this S point with center of the circle. Next, take middle point of OS line. From this middle point, draw semicircle. This semicircle intersect at one point on this circle. So mark here end point. Next, connect N S point, which is indicate normal. Draw tangent line which is perpendicular to normal and passing through S point. So this is the involute of circle. Next, let us solve another example of circle. An inelastic string 150 mm long has its one end attached to the circumference of a circular out by other end of the string. When it is completely wound round the disc of 50 mm diameter, draw the curve traced keeping always tight. First, list out given data. Diameter of disc is given 50 mm, so radius is equal to 25 mm. Length of string L is equal to 150 mm and length of string for circumference area of circle or disk is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 25 is equal to 157 mm. Here, the given length of string is less than the 2 pi r length of string. So, how to complete involute here? First, draw circle having radius 25 mm. From bottom point of circle, draw string having length 2 pi r is equal to 157 mm. In this case, string length is less than 2 pi r, but remember always, whatever may be the length of string, mark 2 pi r distance along the string and divide it into equal 8 parts and not any other length. So, first divide this circle into equal 8 parts at 45-degree angle and mark here division points 1 to 8. Next, divide this 2 pi r length into equal 8 parts and mark here division points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, locate end point of given length of string, which is 150 mm. Now here, involute trace by the end point of 150 mm length string. Next, draw perpendicular string from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 position of circle. Next, mark locus point. For initial position, mark locus point P0 at end point of 150 mm length string. Now here, wounding process done by 150 mm length string. Next, for P1 locus point, take distance 1 P0 and 1 P0 distance transfer on first position of string and locate here P1 locus point. For P2 locus point on second position of string, take distance 2 P0 and transfer 2 P0 distance on second position of string from 2 point and locate here P2 point. For P3 locus point, take distance 3 P0 and transfer 3 P0 distance on third position of string from third point and locate here P3 locus point. Similarly, locate P4 locus point on fourth position. Take distance of 4 P4 is equal to 4 P0. Next, locate P5 locus point on fifth position of string. Take distance of 5 P5 is equal to 5 P0. Next, locate P6 locus point on sixth position of string. Take distance 6 P6 is equal to 6 P0. Next, locate P7 locus point on 7th position of string. Take distance of 7 P7 is equal to 7 P0. At last, locate end point of string on circumference of circle. Take distance of this locus point from 7 point is equal to 7 P0. Next, connect this all locus point freehandly in form of curve. So here, this is the involute for circle for less than 2 pi r length. So this is the end of this session. See you soon in next coming video lecture. Thank you.